So hi folks, something a little bit different today. We're not on the bike, we're on our feet. And we're having a little wander around our local river, the path around the local river. So welcome aboard on our little journey.
Enjoy the walk.
So we haven't gone far, but there's a nice pub up here. What's it called, Kim?
The castle.
The castle. So we're going to go in for a shandy and possibly a bag of crisps. Anyway, let's get in there. So Kim, how are you enjoying the walk so far?
Oh, it's just so nice to get back out again.
Lovely jubbly. Yeah, it is. It really is. It's been a long time. So we treated ourselves to a couple of drinks and a couple of bags of crisps. So cheers all.
Cheers. We know how to live.
So we had a nice little drink and a baguette of crisps at the castle inn in Bramber. Very nice too. And we're now cracking on with our little walk. We've done about 4k so far. I reckon by the time we get back it'll be 5.5, which is plenty considering we haven't had a walk for about 18 months, or a proper walk shall we say anyway. So yeah, let's crack on. So we've just seen a little sign saying there's coffees and cakes in the church up the road here. So we're just going to have a little look. Being a diabetic, I really shouldn't have a cake, but there might be something there to tempt me. Anyway, let's have a look. So there you go, folks. Churchside Cafe. Here we go. Don't walk on them greys, Womble. There's the church, folks. And there's the little cafe. Happy days. So, what did you think to the cake?
It's too sweet for me, but I know you'll like it.
Well, there you go. Let's have a little try. So I think the young lady said the church was built in 950, Saxon times, and we're going to have a little look in there in a minute, just to see what it's like. Happy days. I can't tempt you with another slice of this. Oh, all right then. More for me, folks. Yum yum.
Very much like the one in France.
Oh, good thing. Good thing. Yeah. So folks, we've almost completed our walk. It's just over 6k. We've had a really, really nice time. It's so good to be out and about again. What do you think?
Oh, absolutely. I agree with everything you've said for once.
Oh, there you go. You heard it, folks.
No, it's been good.
Yeah, it's been lovely. So we're going to do a bit more of this. It's been a long time. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you soon. Cheers now.
See you next time.